If you're used to checking your bags when you fly, it might seem impossible to travel abroad using just one teeny tiny carry-on, but the rewards are huge. Not only will you save on checked bag fees, but you'll spare yourself the hassle of waiting for your bags at the luggage carousel. With that in mind, here are 3 packing hacks that make carry-on travel a total breeze. You're not going to fit all of your clothes into a carry-on just by throwing them in willy-nilly. If you want to make use of every cubic inch of space, you're going to want to invest in these. They're called packing cubes, and I like to think of them as drawer dividers for your suitcase. You can use them to organize your packing in any way that makes sense for you. You might use them to sort different types of clothes, socks and undies in one, shirts and pants in another. You can also use them to separate each day's worth of outfits. When packing your clothes into each cube, it's important that you roll your pants and shirts instead of folding them. Not only is this a more efficient use of space, it also helps minimize wrinkles. When you're traveling with just a carry-on, you could run into trouble with your toiletries at the security screening, and that's because of those limitations on liquids and gels. Before you go, why not hit up the cosmetics counter and pull some of your favorite sample sizes of grooming products and fragrances. Not only will these keep you safely under those limits, but if there's a breakage while in transit, your entire packed wardrobe won't be ruined. For more travel tips, go to readersdigest.ca.